What's going on, guys? Today's gonna be kind of a little vlog deal going on. So I'm about to go to the gym right now. Cameron, he just got a new Synergy drag link flip. So we're gonna be going to our friend Jason's house tonight. He's also a member of Shelby Offroad. So we're gonna be over there tonight installing that drag link flip. It's not really gonna be your basic how-to video. It's gonna be more of just kind of watching us doing it, having fun. And just got these floor mats too. They're pretty nice. They're the Rugged Ridge all-weather floor liners. They cover everything like on the sides and stuff, so they should work pretty good. They're a lot better than the carpet ones, so I'm looking forward to using those. All right, so Cameron just pulled up and we're about to take off and go to Jason's house so we can get started on this drag link. The place that's stock line right here. Stop to get some food. We're going to Tommy's shop after this to get drag link, and then we'll go to Jason's house and put it in. Oh yeah, we're out here at the Kusamar getting some gas. Fueling up. That'd be pretty cool. Glow in the dark little keychain.
Only problem is you have to use light colors like white. In a clear coat?
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool. I might have to try that.
Oh, it goes white way back in there. You got a rim in there too.
Oh, yeah, it's like 8 feet deep.
So powder coating and painting, what is the pros and cons of powder coat and paint?
Powder coat is way tougher. Paint can be matched. And in a lot of instances is easier to touch up.
Right.
So, they both have their place. Also, you can paint more materials. Powder coat has to be on stuff that can take 500 degrees in an oven.
True.
So plastics and stuff like that can't, but you can paint anything non-porous.
Makes sense. So after we sandblast, you're gonna like bake it or
blow it off with air, burn it off, and then let it cool down some, and then you spray it and re-cure it or put it back in the oven to cure. Mr. Keychain. Whoa. That was fast.
that was like instant. That's crazy.
It's paint.
That's legit. I hit my head.
What'd you hit your head on?
The soundbar.
For real?
Right there.
How'd you hit your head on?
Got this puppy powder coated. She's still warm from the oven. But yeah, we're going to Jason's house right now. We're going to slap this thing in. Alrighty, so we pulled up. We got the drag link ready to go in the box. Gonna assemble that. And we're going to slap her in. Got the WD-40 soaking right there, so we won't have as much trouble getting it out. Alright guys, so we did not end up going to do that at Jason's. We are now at Matt's because he had the drill we needed. So we're gonna get started. That's the track bar bracket. Yep. Sweet. Oh, why didn't you get that powder coated orange, bro?
I don't know. Shout out to Synergy for making everything gray.
Yeah.
So, gonna mount on like that. U-bolt.
U-bolt, sway bar, relocate right there.
Oh yeah, I got
Track
this.
bar will go on top. Stabilizer will go right there in that hole. Those are the stock holes. Grade 8 hardware, so it won't rust. That's a plus.
We've got the driver's side sway bar relocation bracket to move it up.
Got some stickers as well. Are you gonna slap these on your links, bro?
I was thinking like.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right
That's no.
Stick it like that.
I think that would look good, yeah. Or just replace the Jeep.
Yeah.
Synergy Jeep. Got so much money in steering, might as well be, right?
Pretty much.
Alright, so we got the tire off. We went ahead and got the knuckle side of the drag link out. Beat that out, so that's just hanging there. We're gonna bolt the track bar with that steering stabilizer relocation. And yeah, we'll next thing we'll do is pull that out of the pitment arm up there. All right, so Cameron's got a stabilizer relocation, kind of like a stud thing where it goes to the track bar. This nut was torqued on way too tight, so we couldn't get it in the Jeep, so now we're just gonna torque it off there. So we got stabilizer out. And this is where the stud went. So we're gonna go ahead and take the track bar out so we can adjust that for the relocation bracket. Synergy calls to adjust the track bar close to stock, so we'll adjust that. And then we're gonna drill out the knuckle right here. Getting the ends threaded in right now. The end that goes on the knuckle is reverse threaded. Cameron found that out the hard way. All right, so now we got the track bar out. We're gonna go ahead and adjust that and then put on the bracket for the track bar and the relocation for everything. Now we're gonna start drilling.
Yeah, you can put some on it.
Let me know when you want me to hit it again.
Yeah, that's the shop cat right there.
That's the Jeep cat. Just checking everything out.
And what are you leaking at? Okay, bro, look, you're leaking something here. Okay. Yeah, this drive shaft's way too much at an angle. What are these these are metal plug? People actually put those on Jeep still? Huh. What's up with this wheel? Those are fake bead lockers? I'm off of this thing. I'm out of here.
All right, so we just got the knuckle drilled out. Looks pretty good. We're gonna pop the sleeve in there for it. Now we're just testing the bracket, so we're gonna bolt that up and then see where we need to measure for the track bar to adjust that back close to stock. All right, so the boys just went to the Little Caesars, took a little break. All right, so we're getting the track bar relocation kit all bolted up. Sway bar relocation, we're getting there on that. Now we're heating up the pitment arm to try to expand that out so that that ball joint stud can get popped through. New drag links going in. We heated it up and beat the living crap out of it. There it is over there. Looking pretty rough. Alrighty, now the drag link is in. About to put the castle nut on and cotter pin. We just got the one on up there. So we measured the old drag link and adjusted this one. Once we get the tires back on the ground, we'll give it a fine-tuned adjustment on the silver piece right there. Get the steering wheel straight. Looks really good, bro. All right, so now we got the stabilizer back on. We got track bars in, stabilizers in. And yeah, all we gotta do is just torque it up and that's pretty much it. And the last thing we'll do is adjust this so we can get the steering wheel back straight. And that'll be it. Alrighty guys, so we just finished up. It's about 2 a.m. in the morning. Just heading home. Everybody's really tired. And yeah, Jeep handles a lot better now. It's crazy how much a difference it makes. Just need to do a couple little fine adjustments to get the steering wheel back 100% straight, and that'll be it. It handles a lot better.